Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine. So now I am going to teach the next chapter from 10th RBSC. Okay, as we have completed our previous chapter. Okay, the Feast of the Dead, and it was very nice chapter according to me. Now I am going to teach you about this chapter, the man who knew too much. Okay, the man who knew too much. It is written by Alexander Barron. Okay, and he was born in 1917 and was died in 1999. What is 1999? Understand? The story, it is also very funny, or we can say interesting story. In this story, a young trainee who is in army. The man is in army and he wanted to get his strips. He wanted to get his commission very fast. And yes, he deserved it also, because he was the intelligent person. वो बंदा जो था, the trainee was very intelligent person, and was very, not only he was intelligent, he was also active. Whatever work was given to him, he used to do that in a fast way. So in this system, but at last what will happen with the man? Because he was he was not obeying, or we can say he was not giving any respect to the teachers. In army, we are also having teachers to train the trainees. In that same way, which type of duty he was given, that was not according to him, below the rank. The duty that was given to him, that was also not good. So we will discuss about the chapter. In this chapter there are main characters. Only two characters are main in this. That is Private Culls, the writer, the friend of the writer. Understand? The person who is known as a intelligent person, जो इसमें main character है. He is also known as a Private Culls, and his other name is Professor. Understand? And he is the same man who wanted to get his strips. He wanted to get a commission in the army. And next is Corporal Turnbull. He is the teacher. We can say he is the teacher in the army. Okay, now is that clear? He also having a higher rank. And one more person was also there. That was Sergeant. Is it clear? These are the two characters about whom we are going to read, or we can say I am going to explain you about these two characters. One is Private Culls, the professor himself. Second is Corporal Turnbull, the army officer. Is that clear? Who came to teach them. And different type of teachers they are having. Somebody was telling them about the rifle, working of rifle, musketry, and somebody was telling them about grenade. These type of things will be taught in the army. Okay, so these are the two characters, and these are the main points. First of all, introduction of Private Culls. Second, musketry lesson. Third, hard work by Private Culls to get commission in the army. And next is to correct others. Aircraft recognition. Lesson by Corporal Turnbull. And permanent cookhouse duty, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the 7 points which are main points, and I have written all the points here. One by one I am going to tell you. Is that clear, everybody? So now, main points. Introduction of Private Culls. I also told about him that he was an intelligent person, having a spectacle on his nose, lanky, stooping, not too much long, or we can say medium height was also having. Okay, but the man was always ready to get his commission, and he was working very hard to get his commission. Lekin problem क्या थी, that he never, we can say, show any type of respect while getting the lessons. He always used to correct his teachers. अगर मान लो अपन कहते हैं कि लगभग, है ना, जैसे 2000, लगभग बोलना मतलब उसके आसपास में, लेकिन वो क्या करता था, नहीं सर 2044, आई विल टेल यू. इज दैट क्लियर? तो वो हर चीज को सीरियसली लेता था, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही यूज्ड टू मेक एंग्री द टीचर्स. आर्मी जो ऑफिसर्स थे ना, जो ट्रेनिंग को देते हैं, ही यूज्ड टू मेक देम एंग्री. और ये उसकी सजा थी कि क्या मिला उसको, Is that clear? Introduction of the private cults. Lanky, stooping, having spectacles on his nose, and that is why he also known as a professor. The other trainees were also calling him as a professor because of his appearance. Because of his appearance, like he was having spectacles on his nose and stooping, lanky, these type of things, and always reading the books. That is why he was known as a professor. So that was the introduction of private cults. Musketry lesson. After that, the rifle, work of the rifle. The teacher, the sergeant was teaching them about the musketry lessons. Okay. So what he was teaching them? He was teaching that the muzzle velocity of speed or with the bullet leaves the rifle. यानी जो rifle से जो bullet की speed होती है, the rifle से जो the we can say the bullet which leaves the rifle, and he was telling about the speed of the rifle. And what was the speed? The professor, that the sergeant was telling them that everybody was in attentive manner and everybody was listening him and what he was saying, and that we can say West Frontier ribbon. Yani the sergeant was wearing the West Frontier ribbons also, and he said that over 2000 feet per second. The sergeant was saying normally कि 2000 feet per second. ये सुने बोला. The sergeant said that 2000 feet per second. But what did the private cults say? That 2440 feet per second. Yani he was saying 2000, but he said 2440 feet per second. Yani टीचर की कोई गलती नहीं थी, वो लगभग बता रहा था. Then the students was the private cult was giving him the exact answer, and the sergeant becomes too much angry. उससे बहुत गुस्सा हुआ उसको. He becomes too much angry with private cults, but he did not say a word. Meanwhile, when he was teaching the chapter, he did not say any word to private cults. And after finishing the chapter, the sergeant was annoyed with him. So he wanted to take revenge from private cults. That is why he was putting all the questions which are related to the rifle chapter of musketry. He was asking the questions to everybody, and only one person was giving the answers. That was private cults. He was beaming, he was speaking, okay na, and he was giving fluently all the answers, and sergeant was not able to, we can say, take his revenge from that man. ये तो स्कूल तो था नहीं, क्योंकि टीचर्स विल अप्रिशिएट द चिल्ड्रन हु आर गिविंग द आंसर. लेकिन ये तो आर्मी थी, और आर्मी के अंदर तो यस का मतलब ऑर्डर इज ऑर्डर. अगर किसी ने ऑर्डर दे दिया तो उसको फॉलो करना है, आप उसको मना नहीं कर सकते. सो but he was unable to take the revenge, and the chapter was finished and the lecture was also over. And what we will learn about that thing कि he was ready to give the answer. इंटेलिजेंट तो था वो बंदा, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं था, लेकिन उसको ये पता नहीं था कि मेरे इंटेलिजेंस को कहाँ यूज में लूँ. He did not know how to use my intelligence. Okay ना? He was always opposing the we can say lecturers also. Okay. So in that same way, next is hard work by private cults. Was working very hard. I have told you in the starting of the chapter, he was a very hard worker man, and he was always involved in the books, and he was also doing his training in the best way, running miles and miles, and always ready to, we can say, do any type of work. So in this same way, he was also working very hard work by private cults to get commission प्राप्त करने के लिए. He was working very hard, no doubt about that. And you know, the other trainees were also cracking joke on him. उसके ऊपर मजाक भी बनाते थे. They were making comments on him when he was passing. They were also making comments on him, but he ignored all the people. He never paid any attention about the comments. He was also focusing on his aim, and that was to get the commission in the army. So that was hard work by private cults to correct others. And whenever somebody made a mistake in his we can say company, जो other trainees थे, if they would make mistakes, he used to correct them publicly. ये भी गलती थी उसकी. He used to correct them publicly. किसी को अगर कोई मिस्टेक कर दे, वी शुड नॉट करेक्ट हिम और हर, वी कैन से पब्लिकली. हाँ, दैट इज it can be your classes, ordinary classes, the teacher can correct the students publicly, but यहाँ they are all were we can say in the same field, but he used to correct them publicly. whenever a person make mistake, he used to correct them publicly, और उनको वो insult करता था, ऐसा feel होता था. other training was feeling that he is insulting us, that is why. and somebody want to shown, अगर कोई अपने आप को दिखाना चाहता था, he outshone him, वो उससे ज्यादा शो करता था अपने आप को. and whenever is a matter of duty, he was always ready to do the duties also. got it? So that was also a point to correct others. Aircraft recognition, whenever they were sitting, okay, and they were in the leisure time, when they are not having any classes, तो जो aircraft ऊपर से उड़ता था ना, the aircraft was flying on the sky, so the other trainees used to look at him, used to look at the aircraft. got it? This is not him. They used to look at the aircraft, and private schools never looked, and they were trying to find out the name of the aircraft. उसको पहचानने की कोशिश करते थे, that which type of aircraft is going on. and private schools, without looking towards the aircraft, he used to tell the name of the aircraft. इतना इंटेलिजेंट था वो. he only hear the sound of the aircraft, और वो बताता था कि this is American Harvard. मतलब इतना इंटेलिजेंट था वो बंदा. he used to tell about the aircraft also, and that was very, we can say he was very intelligent person. So you also got this point, aircraft recognition, everybody? I hope you have got. Lesson by Corporal Turnbull. He is the, we can say, strict person in the army. ये कहीं दूर से आया था, उसकी पोस्टिंग हुई थी. He is Corporal Turnbull, is a very dangerous man. He is a very strict teacher, very strict army officer also. And what he came there, और उसकी एक हैबिट थी, he used to take his kitten with him. Understand? And Corporal Turnbull also giving the lecture on, we can say, hand grenade. वो भी हैंड ग्रेनेड पे लेक्चर दे रहा था. तो कॉर्पोरल टर्नबुल जो समझा रहा था, व्हेन ही वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग, और इतना शब्द था, दैट वाज रिटन इन द बुक, कि अगर उसको हथौड़ा भी मार दें तो भी उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. कॉर्पोरल टर्नबुल वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट पर्सन, और उस प्राइवेट का उसको पता नहीं था, वो तो अपनी आदत में था, उसको तो थोड़ा प्राउड था अपनी इंटेलिजेंस पे. और वो टर्नबुल वाज गिविंग द लेक्चर, एंड टर्नबुल समझा रहा था कि हैंड ग्रेनेड जो है, दैट इज डिवाइडेड इन मैनी फ्रेगनेंट्स, काफी फ्रेगनेंट्स में डिवाइड होती है. लेकिन उसने क्या किया, सबके सामने उसको फ्रेगनेंट्स को भी एकदम एग्जैक्ट नंबर डाल दिया कि सर इतने इतने 40 कुछ सेकंड्स में डिवाइड होती है. एंड टर्नबुल वाज आल्सो शॉक्ड, एंड ही वाज आल्सो सरप्राइज्ड, एंड हु करेक्टेड हिम, एंड ऑल द ट्रेनीज नो अबाउट हिम, दैट इज अ वेरी डेंजरस मैन. Everybody was shocked when Private Culls was giving the answer. Corporal Turnbull did not say any word. उसने कुछ भी नहीं बोला Private Culls को, and he was giving his lecture. Again he disturbed him. उसने कहा कि सर ये तरीका अच्छा नहीं है, इस तरीके से बता दो, क्या आप इस तरीके से स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते? Then वो उसको बड़ा गुस्सा हुआ. And what did he do? He threw the hand grenade toward the Private Culls and tell him that you should explain that. As it is, वो ऐसे भी नहीं बोला सर कोई बात नहीं, सॉरी गलती होगी, नहीं, खड़ा हुआ and he started to give the lecture on the hand grenade, and it was superb. The performance of the man was very nice, and he was giving lecture without stopping himself, and he had given us, we can say, fabulous lecture about the hand grenade. शानदार lecture दिया उसने. He explained each and everything about the hand grenade. And Corporal Turnbull also surprised to see him. लेकिन वो तो स्ट्रिक्ट बंदा था ना, उसको तो पता था कि पनिशमेंट कैसे दिया जाता है, ओके ना. And everybody was also surprised when he was giving the lecture. Permanent cookhouse duty. Corporal Turnbull, after finishing his chapter, जब अपना चैप्टर खत्म कर दिया, and Corporal Turnbull was thinking to give something to the soldiers, तभी उसने क्या किया, उन्होंने सभी को एक लाइन में खड़ा कर लिया. ओके, he gathered all the soldiers in one place and he was giving command to the soldiers. And what he was saying, my dear soldiers, I have been given a duty by my officers to make to give somebody a special duty कि मुझे बोला गया है from headquarter that I will choose from you for a special duty that is very beneficial for our company, or we can say that is very nice for our company. Everybody was looking toward the corporate Ranbal. सभी देख रहे थे, कुछ बेचारे सोच रहे थे कि ये ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा वर्क हो जाएगा या वर्कलोड हो जाएगा. They were saying all the things, but as it was expected, private Culls was waiting for the duty. क्योंकि वो तो उसको तो स्ट्रिक्ट चाहिए थे ना. He wanted to get the commission. उसको ये पता नहीं था कि तुमसे बदला लिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. And private Culls raised his hand, or we can say he identified private Culls, he is ready to give the duty. And at last what did he say? So I am giving this duty to private Culls, and duty will be of permanent cook house duty. यानी उसको नीचे डाल दिया. कुक हाउस जो होता है ना, जहाँ पे खाना वगैरह बनता है, मैश वगैरह होती है आर्मी में, he has given the permanent cook house duty. And सभी जो थे, all the soldiers were satisfied because they were not giving duty ना, इसके कारण नहीं, because उनका उस private Cull से पीछा छूट गया. And he would do the duty in the cook house. So that was the punishment given by Corporal Ranbal to the private Culls. And लेकिन वो नहीं सुधरा. The writer is saying, जो राइटर जो लिख रहा है वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है इनको, लेकिन वो सुधरा नहीं. And what he was doing, he was also rebuking the cook in the kitchen. जो कुक थे ना किचन में, उनकी क्लास लगानी शुरू कर दी. किसने? प्राइवेट Culls ने. यानी उसको हर चीज़ का नॉलेज था. उसने कैसी क्लास लगा रखी थी, पोटैटोज कैसे छोले जाते हैं, उसकी विटामिन खराब हो जाएगी, ऑनियंस को इस तरीके से करो, ये करो वो करो, बेचारों को वहाँ पे खड़ा कर रखा. और जब राइटर ने ये देखा कि ये नहीं सुधरेगा, ये वैसा का वैसा रहेगा, he had run away from that place. So my dear children, that was the summary of the chapter. Is that clear? Understand? I hope you have understood that. Okay, if you are not able to understand, you can ask me. I can repeat it all the things, and from tomorrow I will teach you one by one, means I will take help from the book and I will teach you. Got it? Thank you very much.